I did an AI workflow that reads my emails, detects spam, ignores it, and automatically replies to real mails. Without me touching anything, let me show you how I did it in under 15 minutes. And trust me, you can build this yourself even if you have never written a single line of code in your life.
Right, n at n, go to this first link, click on get started for free, and then just put your company email or your personal email you can add over there as well. Submit that, and you are getting one notification verification code. Go to your email, enter your pin. Like for this case, this is the pin. Submit. Okay. You can put full name as anything. Then set up like normally what we do for sign in and login post process for some other things. Just like that, this process is there. Full name, the password that I taken from somewhere, then account name, and yeah, just check this tick box if you want. Then start free 14 days trial. So this is the free version I am showing over to you. So over here there are 1000 executions you will have, and it will be free for 14 days. So these are couple of questions. Just enter, go, okay, writing JavaScript function. Yeah, I'll fast forward it if you want to skip this. And yeah, your workspace is starting up. Okay, start automating, click on that, click. Okay, it's happening. Okay, welcome anime weeb, connect your favorite apps to get started. Yeah, I will choose Gmail, click over there. Okay, so for this I have to connect a new connection. For this I will click on sign in with Google, select this account which is blur right now to you. Okay, signing, it's asking me my touch ID. Okay, I have given granted the permission, and it will ask me couple of questions, and I have to just tick and yeah, okay, and continue. Yeah, you can just read it if you are not sure what access it will be needing. Yeah, the connection is successful with my email. Now it can fetch the email and do the stuff with a Gmail connector. I'll just cross it, continue. Okay, I will start from scratch. Add first step. Our first step is Gmail. You go to this Gmail. First, that is the trigger I wanted on message received. The Gmail account, fetch test event, or yeah, all things are set. I will test this trigger actually to see it's working or not. Yeah, it's definitely working. Then let's move ahead to next action. So first is trigger, and after that everything will be an action. Okay, I'll just write edit. Yeah, edit field set in bracket set. Yeah, this is the one. So in this we will be doing the data transformation stuff. Whatever the data we will be getting from the Gmail, we will be taking necessary data only, like subjects, inputs, like subject in text, and from who we are getting the mail, because we will be needing that. We need to pass over here. I have done for from, drag the input from over there, and automatically it will be taking the dynamic code for that JSON code. For body, I will be choosing snippet because that's the body. Okay, drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay, it has made a new one. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll edit it as BODY. Yeah, and for this I'll make it as subject, SUBJECT, subject. Okay, then choose the subject from over here. Okay, perfect, value over there. So we have whatever the data necessary to us. We'll execute this step to just see it is working. Yeah, it's correctly working. So we can see it in JSON, table, or schema format as well. Okay, then just cross it and go to the next action that we want to perform, which will be the AI one. I'll search for open AI. It's not getting. Okay, no, not this, I believe. Open, I'll write OPEN. Yeah, this is the first one. And messenger model, maybe. Yeah, this is the text action. So from Gmail we'll be taking the data, transforming the data, the necessary. Okay, here we are. He will be using the free credits, OpenAI 100 free OpenAI credits. which are only for the following models. Okay, credential to connect, we have used those free, so no need to. GPT-5 mini, then from a list you text user. Okay, and then I'll just copy one prompt from ChatGPT that I created and paste it over here. So directly the JSON dot from and JSON dot, that thing is getting over here. I'll just backspace email subject and show it to you how to take that. Just I'll backspace and just take it from over there, drag, drop. For other thing it's the same, I'm not going to show that, but it's the same only. I have given the email content sender, so all these prompts and the things that I'm telling, it will be in the description. No, so you can copy from there if you want. Okay, then execute step. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, fingers crossed it worked correctly. So over there I have said, if it is something like spam marketing or an offer, respond it in no reply. Then model will reevaluate the mail, and the text will be sometimes no reply if it is marketing related to stuff or anything related. If it's personal kind of thing, then it will reply with the content, not like in the text format are you seeing right now, no reply, that will be not there. So this is the main step. After that maybe we need to use if else condition. For that I'll be adding one action called if then on if I'll write the condition. If the text is no reply, so let me drag no reply. If it is no reply, I'll copy from there only, copy, paste. If it is no reply, then it will not will be giving any Gmail action. If it is false, oh, but it is false right now, I don't know why it gave. Okay, let's build our following connection for following action for Gmail. Let me search for Gmail. Send an email. No, not like this. Maybe I'll put Gmail only. Gmail. Okay, and send a message. Yeah, this one Gmail account, which we did created the connection to. So I have seen one thing over here. I'll be taking from Gmail trigger the dynamic data. If I'm able to see from this, from has some thing we need to do. We need to clarify this, and we need to do some cleaning to this thing. So maybe I'll do dot split, and split will be from this thing, that arrow. Yeah, in single, yeah, headed column. Yeah, so right now I have two things in array, Google, and I want the second one, so I'll use one, 0, not 0, the first one. Yeah, oh, extra, I need to remove that. Yeah, one, I'll write one over there now, and then we are having the results in our hand, the actual mail. One, yeah, one. Then we need to remove the last arrow. Maybe we can just use dot replace with that. Let's try that. Dot replace, REPLACE. Yeah, there it is. Replace this arrow with empty space. Yeah, this works. Yo, we got our mail in the results, actual mail. So this is what you are seeing right now, no reply @account.google.com. It's from the previous, so latest mail that I got from email, that I got in email. So it is from no reply accounts @google.com. So if you are seeing it, the latest mail that you have right now, you're going to see that over there. See, it was like this before, and after doing our operation we have cleaned that. Then in message I'll just put text. Where is that? Outputs, yeah, JSON. From JSON I'll take it. Yeah, this one. Text, drag, drop. Sorry for this. Drag RE for reply. subject will be like that. I'll take the subject from over here only. Mm-mm. From Gmail trigger to bottom, this is the subject. Yeah, perfect. So from the left side panel, you are going to select from where you want to take the data. And let's not execute step because this mail has come from Google, no reply @redis.com. Let me just do one thing, close this. I need to check that if because it is showing false, it should be true right now because it's no reply. The answer is oh, there's space, that's why. Let me, yeah, now if I execute the step, it will be for true, false branch will not be there. So yeah, true branch is running, for false branch no output data. So yeah, it will run now every time. If it is spam, then it will not run. If it is not, then it will go to the send an email, send a message to this node, send a message node and action. So let's do one thing right now. I'll go to Gmail, message mail to this account or whatever from which I have created the connection, and from there only we are going to check okay it's working fine or not. This is one window I have. Okay, to I have the email with me, paste subject birthday party invitation. Maybe for that I will write in the inviting you and your family to the birthday party of mine, something like that. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, I'll send it. Send, yeah, send. Now if I go to send, yeah, it is sent. Now I need to check my email from where I have created the connection. Did I get any response? No, from not there actually. So the guy who has sent me a mail, the reply should be to that guy only, and that should be from my mail. So I'll go to that account and check if I have gotten the mail or not. First I will click on execute the flow, then it will be going to trigger the needed fields and message model. It is working. Yeah, the workflow executed successfully. So this is the temporary workflow. This will be taking the current mail that is on top that we sent to this account. So let's check. Yeah, and if you go to this account, so automatically reply has been generated to the account from which it is being sent. Yeah, that's good actually. Don't worry, the things will be blurred for you. And click on publish only. It will be published. If you have the paid version, it will be published as you go. If not, then it will be running for only 1000 execution only. So that only for also 14 days only. So if I go to OpenAI, click on OpenAI to create a dedicated connection actually. API platform, allowance, no need over there. Okay, I will do only continue with Google. Then if you go to API keys, then create a new secret key. You can write it as any name over there. Create a new separate key. Copy it and give it to your annotant. So like if I put instead of this free credentials, I will create a new one. For that API key is needed. I will just save. So this is
like, comment, and subscribe.
or the version of chatgpt that will allow the API key. We can do this. So this connection has been successfully made. I can use the both connection, and free, which having 100 credits, and also you can use this as well. So that I showed you how to create an API key with OpenAI. So yeah, that is it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.